A triangular bandage is a first aider's best friend. Straight out of the packet, it's good as an absorbent dressing that you might put on a wound to control bleeding. Then unravel it a little bit and you've got a long wide band that's great for tying stuff on and even securing a limb if you need to immobilise it. Fully unravelled then, you've got, of course, a triangle. A triangle is great if you want to, say, create an arm sling so that you can lift or even immobilise an arm injury. Here's how to do it. Find the right angle corner and make a knot. Anchor that knot at the back of the elbow and bring one of the corners up underneath the forearm, just lift that for me, and over the opposite shoulder. Then bring the other corner up around the side of the neck and meet the other one here. Just make sure the arm is where you want it to stay once you've finished. All right, here we're creating an elevation sling. So the arm is slightly elevated. Then tie it off and make a bow so it's easy to get undone. Just relax. There you go.
If you're looking for a new first aid kit, I recommend you do what I did and head straight to firstaidkits.com.au for a great range and excellent quality.